Do you ever have a problem where you wish your car would just start? We're going to go over the major reasons why your car may not be starting. One, make sure that the main relay is working and also that your ECU is working. When you put your key in, you should hear it beeping. When you turn the key onto power, your check engine light should click off. You should also hear a sound. If you have an 89 to 95 Civic, you should hear a click sound down here in this area. That's your main relay. If it's 96 and up, it's actually going to be on this side. So see if we can hear it. What that sound is the fuel pump turning on and loading up. That's to make sure that you have fuel. If you don't hear that sound, you're getting no fuel. Now, if your fuel pump is loading up, the next thing to check is for spark, which is going to be your spark plug wires. An easy trick to do is pull this off, pull a wire off, stick it to one of these bolts, have a friend turn the car over and look for spark arcing to a bolt. If you have that, the next best thing to check is to make sure your wires are plugged up in the right order for your cylinders. Brown is 1, red is 2, blue is 3, and yellow is 4. Another important thing is to make sure your firing order is correct. 4-cylinder Hondas are always 1, 3, 4, 2. Also, you have to keep in mind to not flood your car when you're trying to start it. But if you suspect that you've flooded your car, an easy trick is to just hold down the gas pedal while you're turning the car over. That should tell the injectors not to fire. Another problem could be that your motor is out of time. Make sure your motor is in time if you've replaced the timing belt or adjusted the timing in any way. Another big factor is make sure that you're using stock injectors in case you've just freshly built your motor or you've got some other reason that you've put a turbo on. You're still going to need the stock injectors to just get it started. Take it to a tuner, then put the new, bigger injectors in. Another thing is, if your check engine light comes on and stays on, it doesn't flash off, your ECU is either unplugged or bad. Or you could possibly have a sensor unplugged. Other reasons why your car may not start. If you have a 5-speed, the clutch switch goes bad, the car won't start. If while you're driving at other times all the lights go off and the key is in its same position, it could actually be the ignition switch, which is behind here, which is a replaceable part. Sometimes those go bad, and while you're driving or out of nowhere, the key will shake and all the power and everything will go off. Anyway, I hope this quick little video of why your car won't start kind of helped out. I know it's not too much information, but hey, every little bit helps. So good luck, see you next time.